So I think we can safely say now that we should begin to enjoy the spring and the summer. And let's hope that that continues as we go into the autumn. The big thing for me is about what happens with immunity and what happens with the possibility of new variants. So COVID hasn't gone away. Infection levels are still really high. Fortunately, most people have mild symptoms, and that's great news. And so I think this is a promising, calmer time. But I think we need to remain vigilant. And although the guidance around self-isolation has changed, I think people still need to do the right thing when they believe themselves to have COVID, and stay away from others when they believe that they could be at their most infectious. That's hard for people when you can't test, I know that. But for most of us, you'll know when you're unwell, you'll know when you don't want to be around other people. A fever is one sign of that, but there are many others. We've had a long list of new symptoms that have been circulated last week in Scotland. So we know that it manifests in all sorts of different ways for people. But if you're not well, then think about, could you be infectious? Have you been around someone that's been infectious? And preferably try and stay away from people for a number of days, at least up to 5, and make sure you keep others safe.